Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Fairfield Inn Suites by Marriott San Francisco San Carlos. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, fitness center and a parking. With a central location in Silicon Valley, this hotel offers rooms with free Wi-Fi and cooking facilities. San Francisco International Airport is just 12 miles away. The Fairfield Inn Suites by Marriott San Francisco San Carlos offers an outdoor heated swimming pool and an on-site fitness center with cardio equipment and free weights. All rooms feature a work area with a well-lit desk and an ergonomic chair. A small fridge and microwave, along with a tea-coffee maker, are provided in each room. A continental breakfast including hot and cold items is available each morning. Fairfield Inn Suites by Marriott San Francisco San Carlos is adjacent to San Carlos Airport and a transportation service is available upon request. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.